upang ipangalandakan na ako ay nasa likod ng pag-splice ng kanyang video upang siya ay siraan. His statement, and I quote, verbatim, Mr. President, ang gawin natin po para madali, i-give up natin ang KIG. Then, mako-coordinate na natin lahat, unquote. Is that merely suggestive, Mr. President? Ito ay kasing kintab ng bumbunan na nasinagan ng tirik na araw sa tanghaling tapat, Mr. President. Sapat na ang kanyang hindi matapos-tapos na paliwanag na kesyo hypothetical daw, kesyo joke lang daw, ayon sa kanyang mga pahayag at kalaunan ay gusto pa niya amyendahan o i-correct ang journal ng Committee on National Defense of the Commission on Appointments. Mag-iingat po tayo rito, Mr. President, sa kanyang gusto mangyari. Your Honor, being the chairman of the Commission on Appointments and some of us here as members, we must study diligently the legal implications of Senator Marcoleta's motion now pending before the Commission on Appointments.